Hello everyone, and welcome to my tutorial. In this lesson, you will learn what SlideMaster is and how to use SlideMaster. SlideMaster stores information about the background template, including the color, font size, font colors, and the general design as to how your presentation looks. If you cannot find a suitable template for your presentation, then you can simply create your own using the SlideMaster. To do this, you first must click on the View tab. Then you click on the SlideMaster command button. It is important to note that you must first click on slide number 1 on the left hand side before you begin. Slide number 1 is the top of a hierarchy of slides. I want to change the colour of my background. I click on Background Styles. I can choose any of these available colours, or I can click on Format Background to have a larger selection of colours available. At the moment, I'm happy enough with this particular colour. I click on it and it applies to all of my slides. Remember, when choosing the template for your presentation, it's important to consider the content. As the content of this presentation is about Moate Community School, I'm going to use the school colours black and red as a basis of my template. Now I have the black background, I need to introduce some red colouring. I'm going to insert some shapes. Click on the Insert tab and click on Shapes. I'm going to begin with a rectangle. I draw in my rectangle. I click on Format and I select the colour that I want to use. There it is. I click on my shape outline and I change my shape outline to black. Notice, when I inserted my rectangle, it automatically went on top of my text boxes. I must send it to the back so that I'm able to edit my text boxes. To do this, I click on my Format menu, I click on Send Backward and I click on Send to Back. Now I can see the font style and type of my text. To change it, I simply highlight the text, click on my Home tab, click on my drop down menu for font and select the type of font which I desire, and of course the size of font that I desire. I repeat this for any text that I want to change. Much better. It's entirely up to you how creative you want to be with your background. You can insert as many shapes as you need to create the perfect look for your presentation. Notice, everything you do on slide number 1 is automatically applied to all of the other slides in your presentation. This is why it is fundamentally important to be clicked on slide number 1 at all times. Also, to get rid of a particular background image, you must click on it in slide number 1 and press the delete key on your keyboard. Again, you notice that it is deleted from all slides in your presentation. I want to add the school crest to the background template of this presentation. I click on my Insert, I click on Picture. I click on the image that I want to insert and I click the Insert button. Notice that the background colour of this image is white and it doesn't match my presentation. I'm going to get rid of this white colouring in the background of my image. I first click on my image, click on the Format menu. Under the Colour command, I click on the drop down menu and I see there's a Set Transparent Colour option. I click on that. Whatever area I want to make transparent, I simply click on Now, much better. Now I must find a suitable location for my image. Very nice. When I'm happy with my background template, I simply click on Slide Master tab and then I click on the Close Master View option. Let's take a closer look as to how my presentation looks. And there you have it. How to use Slide Master in Microsoft Office PowerPoint. Thank you for watching.